Hello, my name is Vincent Ayobami Olukoya. I am a CAC expert. I help business owners to register their businesses either as a business name, limited liability company, or NGO with Corporate Affairs Commission. However, I am not here this afternoon to talk about you registering your business name with Corporate Affairs Commission. There are a lot of people that are doing that, even though I also do that. But this afternoon, I am here to talk about one particular topic or one particular aspect of registration that some business registration experts do not really talk about, and it has to do with CAC annual returns. Now, my focus today will be on annual returns for people that registered as a business name. Now, Otumba, what do you mean by annual returns? Now, annual returns is a mandatory payment you do to CAC after you might have registered your business name with Corporate Affairs Commission. However, this is not done immediately you register your business name with CAC. It is actually done 18 months after you must have registered your business name with CAC. Now, why am I really talking about this particular aspect of the registration process? This is because I have done annual returns. I've helped a lot of business owners to file their annual returns with CAC, and most of them, they always give me this excuse of, Otumba, we were not aware that we are supposed to be filing annual returns. And I can tell you that most people indeed are not aware. But then we all know that that is not an excuse to government. That is not an excuse in law. Please pardon me. I'm not trying to quote any law, but then it is just as it is. So if you register your business name with Corporate Affairs Commission, you are required to file your annual returns after 18 months of registering your business name with Corporate Affairs Commission. Now, what exactly does that really mean? Because you've been telling me annual returns, annual returns, annual returns. What it simply means is you are telling CAC that CAC, this name that I registered with you, I am still interested in using the name for business. Please help me keep the name in your database. Sincerely speaking, that is what you're just doing. But then you don't expect them to help you keep the name in their database without you paying them for helping you to do that. It's more or less like you renting a house. Every year you pay for your rentage. So exactly that is more or less like what you're doing. And we all know that CAC is the commission that is responsible for registering businesses in Nigeria. If you're a business owner, before you start doing business, you are required by law to register your business name or company with Corporate Affairs Commission. If you don't do that, there is actually the sanction to that, though we've not really been seeing them do any of such. So now, how much is CAC annual returns? How much do I pay CAC for annual returns? The annual returns is 3,000 naira. However, when you don't file the annual returns as at when due, for business name, the due dates for filing of annual returns is June 30 of every year for business name. But then, if you don't file it June 30, the moment it gets to July 1st, you'll be penalized for not filing on time. You'll be penalized 5,000 naira. I said annual returns is 3,000 naira. Penalty for not filing on time is 5,000 naira. That is a total of 8,000 naira. Mind you, the registration expert that will help you to file the annual returns will also serve a service charge. You have to pay the person a service charge as well. So by the time you calculate it, it is more or less like double of the amount you are supposed to pay. Now, talking about the service charge, please, don't get me wrong. Every CAC agent has their own service charge. So please, I hear people say things like, and this person actually, I don't want to use the word SCAN. No, the person did not do that. But then the person is just, that's what the person feel he or she wants to collect from you. So please, when you have such person or such people do that for you, please don't think that maybe they are taking advantage of you. They are not doing that. That is that we are all different. So I'm going to tell you this. You don't wait till the due dates for your annual returns before you file it. I can tell you categorically that if CAC is giving award for, even though they're not doing that, for the first set of people that have filed annual returns, I think my company should actually get that. If I can still remember very well, I filed the annual returns for 2023, January 1st at about 12:03 a.m. I was very intentional about it for all my companies. I did that. I made sure I filed everything for all my companies before the due time. So I'm encouraging you to also file your annual returns. If you don't file it on time, you'll be penalized. Now, once you are penalized, this is what will also happen to your status on CAC portal. From active, it will go to inactive. And once it gets to inactive, there are some post-incorporation services you won't be able to do. For instance, if you want to request for some documents, the status report of your business from CAC, it will show inactive. The bank will not acknowledge that. They will tell you to go and file your annual returns so that your business name will be active again. So you can see reasons why you should make sure you file your annual returns on time. Now, when the business name is inactive on CAC portal, it simply says that CAC, I am no more interested in using this name for business again. Please do whatever you want to do. Then the next thing CAC will do is CAC will get your name struck out from their database. So by the time they do that, the next thing that CAC will do, the next thing that people will be able to do, people will be able to make use of that name. Imagine a name you've been building for years. Imagine a situation where you've been collecting contracts with that particular name for years, and suddenly another person went ahead to register that name to be doing business. You can see that it's not really a good one. So I want to encourage you. The deadline to file annual returns is June 30. However, June 30 this year is actually a Sunday. It's not a working day. So I encourage you to file your annual returns on time. This I can help you to do. You can just message the number that is showing on your screen. When you send a message to me on WhatsApp, I can pick it up from there. I can help you file your annual returns with Corporate Affairs Commission, whether I was the one that helped you to register it or not. I can help you get it done. If you file your annual returns up to date, I will make sure I get everything also activated and you're good to go. So what are you waiting for? Kindly share this video with some other business owners that needs to hear this, because I've been hearing from people that they are not aware about this, and that was why I had to come up with this video so that you can share among them and you can share with your people as well, and so you'll be informed. Yes, I want you to be informed, but then don't just get informed alone. I want you to make use of the information that you've gotten. So part of business structure is when you file your annual returns with the Corporate Affairs Commission. Thank you for watching this informative video. Do have a wonderful day, afternoon, evening, depending on the time that you're watching this. Bye.